Mahalaga po na mabantayan po natin ang sinabi ng salita ng Diyos. Sabi po dito, ano po ang tagubilin sa mga babae? Mga babae, pasakop kayo sa inyong asawang lalaki. At ang mga lalaki, tinagubilinan ng Panginoon, ang mga lalaki, ibigin niyo ang inyong asawa. Alin po ba ang mas madali? Ang pasakop o ang ibigin? Bigla kayo napaisip, ano?
Babe, I pledge to honor you, love you, and cherish you as my partner today and every day. I am your number one cheerleader, just like you to me.
Thank you for 10 years, babe. A decade of happiness, sadness, all kinds of emotions. Nakita na natin ang worst, ang best ng isa't isa. Sabi mo nga, kilalang kilala mo na ugali ko mula ulo hanggang paa.
Allen and Syra, hindi pinangako ng Biblia na hindi tayo mamumroblema. Pero ang pangako ng salita ng Diyos, sa bawat problema pagdadaanan natin, kapag nandun yung pananampalataya mo sa Kanya, hindi Kanya pababayaan, tutulungan Kanya sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Amen. Palapakan po natin ang Panginoon.
Dahil beach wedding siya, pastor, Christian wedding, gusto ko kasing kasama ang aking baby girl, si Hershey. Nakita mo kanina, diba?
I've been searching for a feeling that I couldn't name. Then you walked into my world and nothing was the same.
Golden hour on a rooftop city.
Si Zaira, mamahalin mo ng buong buo. Siyempre, huwag mo rin ako kakalimutan.
Every moment felt like magic.
Nothing stays the same after 10 years. And having to stay in love is even more difficult. But we always find the right seasoning. Parang sa pagluluto, nababalance natin ang isa't isa.
Never thought I'd find mine.
But when you look at me like that, I can see the divine. This must be heaven.
Heaven, 'cause I've never felt this way. Please don't let it fade away.
Ang sino mang pinagbuklod ng Diyos ay hindi pwedeng paghiwalay ng tao. Dahil sila ngayon ay iisa na lang laman. Kaya ayun yung dapat nilang panghawakan.
Never coming down. Never coming down. I was lost.
Palagi nandyan si God na may pangako sa atin at tapat siya sa pangako na hindi niya tayo iiwan. Alam mo naman na naging mahigpit man ako nung araw dahil kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, talagang para sa iyo yun. Binigay ni Lord para sa inyo yung dalawa. I love you.
Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for making sure that I have a gift to unbox on my birthday and every Christmas day. I appreciate you and love you always.
Heaven, heaven, 'cause I've never felt this way. Please don't let it fade away.
When you hold me away, let's flying higher.
Every day this must be heaven, heaven, and I'm never coming down.
I'm never coming down. If this is just a dream, don't wake me.
sa dami nating taong nakakasama, nakakasalamuha, your life will not get unnoticed. I will be the one to notice it. You will not go unwitnessed. Because I will be your witness till we grow old.
Writing our own story, this is our glory.
Can you imagine us being here? Because I remember 10 years ago, we both didn't believe in forever. But look at us now. This is our forever. Let's create more memories together, now as Mr. and Mrs. Thank you and I love you.
This must be heaven, 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 'cause I've never felt this way. Heaven, please don't let it fade away. When you hold me, I'm weightless, flying higher every day. This must be heaven, 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 and I'm never coming down, down, never coming down.
This is heaven.
You may not always hear me say I love you or sobrang dalang ko sabihin ito sa'yo. Siguro kapag anniversary lang or may kasalanan ako. Because for me, love is not a feeling. Yes, love is not a feeling. Because for me, love is an ability. It is nurtured by consistent actions,
This must be
choices, and sacrifices. And I thank you.
Never coming down, never coming down.